Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to share a quick and easy masculine birthday card that I always tend to struggle. Not so much making it, but thinking of something. So I used this paper pad. I know it has pumpkins, it has acorns, it has squirrels, and it's mainly for fall. And let me show you the pattern real quick. See, it says fun days of fall, my favorite time of year. I love these tags, but I'm not really fond of the squirrels. I don't know why. I love the, and then these have, what do you call it? It's not foil, but it does have a shiny effect to it. And pumpkins, acorns, all of this is kind of embossed. Yeah. So I took some of the papers from this paper pad and I made a quick card. This came from that paper pad, didn't it? Yeah, quite a bit. Oh, my hair is everywhere. Here's the plaid in the center. This is an ephemera piece from Hobby Lobby. Stickers, happy birthday sticker from Hobby Lobby as well. These are some flat back faceted gems, and I called it a day. Rounded the corners. I just love how it turned out. I don't know, it was kind of monotone, these ephemera pieces, so I really love that. So I bought 2 packs of those, so I need to use them up. And then inside I add another strip of paper, and here's another ephemera piece. So I really like how that turned out for my birthday card. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.